Hi, and welcome. My name is Enida Rehome, and I'm the financial literacy coach for St. Philip's College. And today we're going to be talking about iGrad and what iGrad has to offer you about scholarships. So April is Financial Literacy Awareness Month, and so I'm bringing to you about different ways you can fund your education, and that's through scholarships. So for those of you who haven't heard about iGrad, iGrad is a free financial literacy platform provided to you by SPC and our third-party company Trellis. So if you haven't ever heard of iGrad, you are going to sign up at spc.igrad.com. And basically what that is, you're going to enter your information, you're going to use your Alamo email. So it's going to be rehome@student.alamo.edu. So make sure that you sign up. Again, it's a free service for you. There are different things that iGrad has to offer, not only about scholarships, but about a job search, about different articles that you may be considering. If you're thinking about taking out a student loan, what should you know about taking out a student loan? And iGrad covers all of that for you. So if you've never signed up for iGrad, take the time now, because if you do sign up for iGrad and you complete some financial literacy modules, you're entered into a drawing for Financial Literacy Month. So look out for that on the financial literacy page at www.alamo.edu/SPC/financial-literacy/ takes you right to the website. So definitely look for that, okay? But back to iGrad and its scholarships. So once you get to spc.igrad.com, it's going to give you running blue, which is our colors, right? So we are running blue, so it's Alamo College District, St. Philip's College. If you are a PAC student, yours is going to be running green. If you're a SAC student, yours is going to be running red. And so that's how you know that you're on your actual school's website. So if your home college is PAC or SAC, that's the college that you're going to be signing up for. Or you can also sign up with St. Philip's College. It's no big deal because we're all the same community college. We're one big district. We're one big family. So we just want to make sure that you're getting utilization out of this tool. Again, it's completely free, so take advantage of it. So back to scholarships. So for those of you who are wanting to transfer over to a four-year university, those of you who are paying out of pocket because you're on a payment plan because you don't get enough financial aid to cover, or you're not getting financial aid at all, and you are in a health profession program with SPC and you're taking out student loans, have you thought about scholarships? A lot of students don't apply for scholarships because you have to have an essay, right? And so what iGrad is, it cuts out all the legwork for you guys. I mean, all of it. You don't have to Google like higher ed scholarships or scholarships for college. iGrad does it all, so take advantage of it. Once you log in, and if you're a first-time user, it's going to give you a financial health assessment. So it then molds iGrad to your specific needs. So if you're wanting to learn about budgeting, if you're wanting to learn about banking, purchasing a home, a used car, it's going to tailor iGrad to your specific need. Now, how great is that? That's awesome. And so if you're thinking about a student loan, it's going to ask you those particular questions again about student loans. And so then everything is going to be geared towards how you answered your questions in your financial health assessment. So for this particular reason, we are going to be talking about scholarships, right? So we're going to go to scholarship search. And once we go to scholarship search, these things can be filtered by your education, by as far as what your major with Alamo Colleges is going to be. You can filter it by your GPA. I've met students who are like, Miss, I don't qualify for any scholarships because my GPA is too low. I'm on academic probation. What can I do? Is there anything that you can do for me? I can't do anything for you, right? But iGrad can, in the aspects of it will tell you if you qualify for the scholarship or not. So then are you wasting your time? And I don't ever want you to think that applying for a scholarship is wasting your time. But let's just say that you're looking at a scholarship and you don't realize that it's a GPA requirement of a 3.0, and you fill out the application and you submit your essay, and then they don't even look at your stuff because you don't even qualify with the minimum requirements. iGrad again cuts it all out for you, okay? Because what if you're looking at multiple and you miss it? We're human beings and we make mistakes and we sometimes oversee things. iGrad gives you everything on its front page, right? So it tells you exactly when it's closing here in red. So it's closing today. I would never recommend that you apply for a scholarship that's closing today, not even 2 weeks from now. I would probably say half a month from now is what you want to start looking at, just because it gives you the opportunity to write your essay, have somebody review it for you to make your edits. If there are a letter of recommendation, for you to get those letter of recommendations from your professor. If it requires transcripts, are you giving the college enough time to get those transcripts to you? Especially right now with the pandemic, mail is running a little bit slower. So those are things that you need to consider. Am I giving myself enough time to complete all the tasks that they're requiring for my scholarship? So make sure that you do that, because you don't want to sell yourself short either. So this first one that we're looking at, it's an Executive Women International is who's hosting the scholarship. So it's an assist scholarship, and that's from $2,000 to $10,000. Any GPA is required. So again, you can filter it through degree, you can filter it through GPA, the requirements, you can filter it through how many awards you're getting. So there's so many things that you can filter that best fits your specific needs when you're applying for these scholarships or you're looking for them, okay? So when you click on the Assist Scholarship, it is going to take you to this website, another window. It's the same website, but it tells you that this one's awarding 13 awards. That's amazing. 13 potential students can win this award. The application deadline, of course, is today. Who the sponsor is, Executive Women International. Now, some of these scholarships will tell you if you have to be in a specific degree. Some of them will tell you if you have to be in a specific state. So you have to be very aware of what you're looking at, right? Again, the amount scholarship is $2,000 to $10,000. Education, 2-year undergraduate, 4-year undergraduate, or graduate. So if you're transferring into that 4-year university because you're looking for that bachelor's degree, this is still a good scholarship to apply for. Full-time or part-time. You need to be a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. This is a financial need-based scholarship, meaning if you applied for FAFSA and you have a financial need and you are receiving financial aid, more than likely you can still apply for this scholarship because there is a financial need, right? You were awarded financial aid, you were awarded the Pell Grant, you were awarded different things to ensure that your financial need was met at the college, right? So financial need based. More than likely, yes, you have to have applied for FAFSA. So that's very important. Did you apply for FAFSA? If you didn't, you cannot apply for this scholarship because they need to pull up your financial aid application to correspond with your need base, okay? Your application requirement is an essay, a recommendation letter, and a transcript, okay? So then once we click, let's say that we decide that we want to apply for it. Let's save it. We want to save this, this scholarship, right? We're going to click apply. Now, once you click apply, it's going to redirect you to the actual website that's hosting this scholarship. Again, cuts the legwork out. iGrad has already created all these partnerships throughout the United States to do this for you guys, so you don't have to go searching and then put yourself up for identity theft. It's very important that you understand that. This is a free website, a free scholarship search engine built into iGrad for your benefit, okay? So the program details, so this is an assist scholarship, so this is the one that we're gonna be looking at. This is the program detail. It tells you it's available to adults facing economic, social, or physical challenges who are looking to improve their situation through educational opportunities. Local chapter partners with educational providers and social services agencies to identify potential candidates. Students first apply and complete the local chapter level. Chapter level winners are submitted to the corporate level for the opportunity to be selected for a scholarship ranging between $2,000 and $10,000. That's where the number of 13 comes in, right? So we click on program details. It redirects us to the actual, again, to another page, another window, but it gives you a little bit more. Apply here, participating chapters. Okay, so Albuquerque, Memphis, Birmingham, Nashville. So let's see if Texas has any, chapters, right? So these are all the things. San Antonio, Bexar County is a part of that, you guys. This is who your chapter contact is, Alicia Clark. So if this is something that you're like, okay, I can't apply for it now because it's ending today, but I want to apply for it for the future, save it. It's saved, right? And so if you wanted to apply for it, you click apply here, and then it's going to tell you about, it could just give you windows as far as like what the prompt is, as far as for the essay. Let's see, it's open from January 4th of 2021 and it's due March 26th. So we know that. So again, the description of it, everything about that, financial needs, socially, physically, and economically challenged adults. It gives you a little bit more detail. And then applicant must reside within boundaries of participating EWE chapter. And then we go to the list. So then you would probably just click begin. And then from there, It's asking you everything that you need to know. It says your name, you have to set up an account, it looks like, and then everything is step by step, right? So with that being said, when you come back and you're like, okay, I can't apply for it now. I've emailed Alicia Clark and she said it's, once a year and it always opens up in January. So come back in January and be prepared, right? Go to your favorites, just my favorites. There it is. It's saved. It's closing today. It's the deadline. So those are things that you can utilize to save and be like, okay, I'm not prepared for it now, but I will be prepared for it next year when they reopen. So, right, it's utilizing those resources. It's starting to build those connections to see what best fits your needs and when they're going to be reopening up a new form of scholarships with this particular company, right? And this one just in general. Sometimes you are able to see, this one is number of awards was 1. Today's the application deadline, the amount. You guys, everything is there for you. There's nothing that you need to do besides the essay, the letter of recommendations, the requirements. As you go down, if we want to get rid of the favorites and you want to keep searching through, right? We can just do one big scroll down, right? This one, delete cyberbullying scholarship. This is just an essay. It's closing in 5 days. You can use the Tutoring for Technology Center to help you ensure that your essay is sound. It has a strong foundation, and answering those questions. You can use the Writing Center. Take advantage of those tutors because those services are free to you as well. Once you connect with a tutor, they're able to assist you with this grammar, with sentencing structure, with ensuring, again, that you are answering the prompt that they're asking. Sometimes there are no more than 500 words. It can tell you it's no more than 500 words. And usually they're the same questions. Who are you? Why do you need this scholarship? And what challenges have you overcome during your education, right? So those are usually the 3. Sometimes it's like, why do you want to choose nursing as a field of study? What can you contribute to the health field? Things like that. And so there are already tutors on campus that can help you be successful. So let them help you be successful, you guys. If there is anything that I can do for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Enida Rehome. I'm the financial literacy coach. My number is 210-486-2140, or you can email me at erehome, that's EREHOME, at alamo.edu, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Don't forget Financial Literacy Month, so sign up for iGrad, submit your financial literacy module completion sheets, and if you did and you have them and it has to be for the current month, and you need help submitting that, call me, text me, email me. I'm here for you. So let's be successful together. We're all about student success. So let us help you. Y'all have a great day.